Yo, what's going on, guys? So it's been a while since I made a video. I decided to try a performance drop-in air filter for my 2014 Honda Accord V6 sedan. So basically it's just a replacement for this. It's going to be a performance air filter, which just came in, and I was kind of shocked by the size of the box that it came in. I just kind of partially opened it so far, but this box you would think is going to be like a furnace air filter, not a car air filter. So I don't know if they're just being wasteful, which a lot of companies are doing this day and age. Oh, what a waste. That's ridiculous. Kind of shocked at how big the box is. So let me get this open and then I'll just compare it to the OEM size. Again, what a wasteful box. That's the box for it, and then here's the air filter. And you have a choice to go with oiled. I never use oiled air filters because I believe it's bad for the mass airflow sensor. So let's do a comparison to the one I have in there now. Pop this guy open. Okay, so this is the stock air filter, which is basically just OEM. See, there's this little center divider here, which creates some restriction, and then here's the performance one. So let's see the size comparison. So about the same size. Obviously, there's no center separation there, so it's going to be a little bit more better for airflow. And so what I'm going to do is tomorrow, I'm not going to change it now because I'm basically going to do a comparison test of the OEM versus this performance filter, AFE Power, whatever it is. So I'm going to basically try in the morning when the weather is going to be cooler, it won't be so hot. I'm going to run this air filter, which is a stock one, do some tests 0 to 60 and what have you with the K-tuner, and then I'm going to switch to this one, and I'm also going to reflash the tune to basically reset the ECU for this one, drive around for a little bit, and then compare both the sound, performance, and see if there's any measurable differences. So I'm going to do that tomorrow, try to do that in the morning, and then we'll do this comparison. I would do it today, but I got some things going on, and also it's kind of hot right now, so I'm going to do it in the morning when it's going to be cooler out, and I'm not working tomorrow, so it'll be work out really well. So stay tuned for that video, and then we'll see if there's any difference with whether it be sound, performance, or anything else. So stock versus this one. So stay tuned for that video tomorrow, and then we'll take things from there. So see you guys then, and hope you guys are all doing well. Peace out.